Hello everyone, today we bring you a Dingo diesel generator set with stable and reliable performance, strong adaptability to the 3 highs environment, simple operation, which is widely used in agriculture, industry, hotels, shopping malls, hospitals and fire standby industry. The unit adopts Cummins 12-cylinder diesel engine, with a common power of 1000 kW, a standby power of 1250 kVA, a rated current of 1800 ampere, and a pure copper brushless self-excited Siemens generator. The internal pure copper wire is wound in multiple layers, and coated with glue layer by layer to enhance the conductivity. The built-in voltage regulator makes the power output more stable. The fall protection control system realizes the protection of low oil pressure, high water temperature, overcurrent and overload. The diesel generator set of our top blog highlights the quality of top blog in every detail, and has a longer service life than the general generator set.